Last time, we left you on our way to Hellevoetsluis, where we were greeted by a thunderstorm. Well, we motored to Hellevoetsluis. There's quite a lot of wind every day. Good wind to sail. But every time we want to sail, I do not have the sails ready, so I'm now going to sort out the sails. I've already raised one of them, and I don't remember that one. I thought previously I sorted all of the sails out, but it seems that I'm missing a couple, and there are a couple that I don't remember. I'm a bit confused right now.
I eat dinner. Yeah, she wants to cook. Oh my god, this
Oh my god, this what?
table. This table.
Wait till it touches.
Standing here under the lantern. Don't know what I'm singing. La 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 la. Now look at the boatie.
Go, they plug their ears. 3, 2, 1. There's 2 that are too cool to plug.
Again I swear.
While walking around Hellevoetsluis, we suddenly heard some very loud banging noises. We were shocked to discover that they were shooting cannons at passing ships. Just kidding, they were doing a cannon show, and it was really cool to witness a little piece of history come to life.
That's a really huge dead fish.
Menno and Bas, they always fish with those. Look, you know what's funny?
What?
You see that little sailboat in front of us? Their sail is bigger than ours.
Who's laughing now?
Where do we go actually?
I don't know. I am actually a bit hungry.
Yeah.
Yeah, there and there's a bee.
We've enjoyed our time in Hellevoetsluis, but it's time to move on and finally do some real sailing.
We're sailing!
We're sailing! Finally it feels like we actually own a sailboat.
Not a motorboat.
No.
We've been already sailing for a couple of hours. Like 2 hours, 3 hours?
This is our first like sailing only trip basically.
Yeah, we get out of the marina and immediately put the sails on and yeah, we keep going. Oh, wait. This may be not the best spot for me to show you because I do not want to get hit by the boom. And wind is coming from the back, so this sometimes moves as well. Here we go, like a butterfly. How fast are we going?
I have no idea, my phone died. And the tablet died.
And also our instruments are like dead. They're showing us 25 meters now, 26 meters, 27 meters, but there's like 3 meters maybe. No, maybe 9.
Yeah, probably 9, something like that.
So this is not working. This is not working. And this is not working.
This one is kind of working.
Yeah, when it's in the mood.
Yeah, well, look, now it's
This
working.
is kind of working.
This one is working. Yeah, the wind meter is working. This is like 10 knots of wind from behind, roughly. So that one works. It's very like, how do you say it, squally? Like sometimes there's like suddenly like 50 knots of wind and then suddenly it dies to like 5, 6, 7 knots and then there's again wind and go wind and get wind and gone wind. And also because we're sailing with the wind from behind, so our front sails are like a butterfly. It's a bit annoying because they're just flapping around all the time. Right, so as you can see, we have these butterflies. I did not raise the mainsail because since the wind is coming from behind, it's just gonna take wind out of other sails. Plus I have the mizzen sail up and the mizzen would take the wind out of that one as well, so it's just gonna be annoying. There, I don't know if it's really visible, it's the bridge. We're gonna have to get under the bridge. The bridge will open around 18. I thought let's just go because we're gonna be sailing. And yeah, I thought maybe it will take a while. I thought maybe we'd go like 2-3 knots. But I think we're making good time, so we're gonna be too early for the bridge actually. But I'm happy to have this sailing trip. It feels good to see that the boat can actually sail. Also, it's such a big heavy machine with relatively small masts. We were kind of concerned that maybe the sailing will be kind of bad, but I guess it doesn't really matter too much, no matter what you're sailing on. As long as you put sails on it, it will probably just move forward. It's a beautiful day, everything going well, so we're happy. We're in the marina now. We're gonna go for a walk, and yeah, this is how you get off our ship. This is our boat, and we have a little ladder here. Rocky, come, come. Yay! Well, that's how high our boat is.
The boat.
That's crazy. There we go. We made it. There's a lot of nature around here. We arrived at Numansdorp Marina. We stayed there for 2 nights before continuing our journey south. From there we set off towards Bruinisse, and in just a moment you'll see us go for the first of 3 locks. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. This one was a bit of a mixed bag as we're still trying to figure out the best way to record our adventures and share Liveaboard with you. Let us know in the comments if there's anything you'd like to see in the future. Your ideas will really help us shape the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to follow our journey. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.